How do I connect two modems in one house?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing an interesting topic: how to connect two modems in one house. This can be handy in cases where you want to extend your home network, have more control over your internet connection, or if you have two different internet service providers, ISPs.
Why would you need two modems?
The first question that comes to mind might be, why would I need two modems in the first place? One possible reason is to extend your network coverage within your home, especially if you have a larger home or multiple levels. Additionally, some people may use two modems to have connections from two different ISPs, perhaps for redundancy or to manage different kinds of traffic separately.
Is it possible to connect two modems to one line?
Technically, yes, it is possible to connect two modems to one line, but the practicality of this setup depends heavily on your ISP. Some providers do not support having multiple modems on a single line, while others do. It's essential to check with your provider before attempting this setup.
How to set up two modems in one house?
If you have decided to go ahead with setting up two modems, here is the process. 1. Connect the first modem. Simply connect your modem to your ISP's line and to your main computer or router via an Ethernet cable. 2. Connect the second modem. The setup for the second modem might vary based on your needs. If you're setting up a second modem to extend your network, you might connect it to a different telephone or cable outlet if available. In this case, you will need a second line subscription from your ISP. 3. Check the connections. Once both modems are set up, test each one to ensure they're connected to the internet. 4. Set up the network. If you're using two modems for better coverage, consider setting up both networks with the same SSID and password for seamless transitioning between the two. Remember to set different channels for each modem to avoid interference.
Considerations and precautions.
Keep in mind that setting up two modems in one house can be complex. It's important to understand your network needs and discuss the setup with your ISP. Also, be aware that having two modems can double the number of devices that could potentially fail or require troubleshooting. Connecting two modems in one house is certainly doable, but it requires careful planning and setup. If you're looking to improve your network coverage or have a backup internet connection, this could be a good solution. Remember to consult with your ISP and weigh the pros and cons before diving in. We hope this guide was useful, and good luck with your home network setup.